Reservation physical life is one of misery. Fortunately, we still have our culture, and that breathes life into us. I can't make an American understand because they have no culture. What I can tell you, and culture is beyond singing and dancing, by the way, and it's beyond, way beyond Wall Street or MTV. What culture is values, and we still have our spirituality. And I thank the Great Mystery for this beautiful land and the opportunity to be Lakota. The opportunity to be Lakota. The opportunity to be Lakota.